A very good morning, students. In Saturday's class, we started the topic comparing and ordering numbers. In that topic, we discussed that how to compare or order number in increasing way or decreasing way. Increasing way is also known as ascending order, and decreasing order is known as descending order also. So firstly, we have to find out which number is greater or which one is lesser. On that basis, we have to compare those numbers. So we saw one question related to this. After this, next question is, suppose we have two numbers. One is note down that question. Compare and arrange the numbers, and that numbers are 72,019, 72,990 and 72,985 in increasing order. Means we have to arrange those number in increasing order or ascending order. So what method we saw in last class? We discussed that firstly we have to put those values in as according to the place value. So first we start from 10,000 because there are 5 numbers. So first one is 10,000, then 1,000, hundreds, tens and ones. At 10,000 place, in this number 72,019. At 10,000 place there is 7, then at 1,000 place 2, then 0, 1 and 9. In 72,990, 7 is at 10,000 place, 2 is at 1,000 place, then 9, 0 at 100, tens and ones place. Similarly, in last one 72,985, 7 is at 1,000 place, 2 is at 1,000, 7 is at 10,000 place, 2 is at 1,000 place, then 9, 8, 5, 100, tens and ones place. So firstly we compare the 1,000 place. So there is 7, 7 and 7. These three all are similar. So there is no comparison in between all these three numbers. After this we move to thousands place. So there is 2, 2 and 2 in all three values. So again there is no comparison in 1,000 place also. Afterwards at 100th place we see 0 is at 100 in first number, then 9 and 9. So we can say that these two are similar, but that one is lesser than these two numbers because 0 is smaller than these two. 0 is smaller than 9. So we can say that 72,019 is smaller than 72,990 and 72,985. Why? Because 0 hundreds is smaller than 9 hundreds. So that one number is smallest. Okay, we can say that 72,090 is the smallest number. It is smaller than both of these numbers and it is smallest among these three numbers. Now we have to compare between these two numbers 72,990 and 72,985. So after 100th place we have to move at 10th place. So there is 9 at tens place in first number and 8 in second number. So which one is greater, 9 or 8? Obviously 9 is greater. So we can say that 72,990 is greater than 72,985. 72,985 is smaller than 72,990. Why? Because 8 tens is smaller than 9 tens. So we can say that 72,990 is the greatest number. Now we have a greatest number and a smallest number, and total number we have all three numbers. So this one is greater, this one is smaller, that one is smaller. So the middle number is the remaining number is the middle number. 72,019 is the smallest number. Afterward 72,985 and the greatest number is 72,990. So that is greatest number. This one is smallest number, and that's the increasing order. Now the next way of comparison is comparing the number with the help of number line. So note the second question. Arrange the numbers represented by the letters in decreasing order or descending order. So in this question we have a number line. You have to make this line with the help of scale and pencil. So in that number line it is starting from 1 lakh. Then we can measure by little dash. So it is 1,10,000, 1,20,000, 1,30,000, 40,000 and 50,000. That one is 50,000. So we give it point A. It is 1,50,000. Then 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 2 lakh. 1, 2, 3, 4. After 2 lakh, this is 2 lakh 10,000, 2 lakh 20,000 and 2 lakh 30,000. So here is a point B. Two lakh 30,000. This is 2,50,000 and this one is 3 lakh. And this one is 4 lakh. Between 3 lakh and 4 lakh, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3 lakh 80,000. There is a point C and whose value is 3 lakh 80,000. 1000. Now we have to arrange them in decreasing order. So we can see that this is from 1 lakh to 4 lakh, means in increasing way. It means the value near 4 lakh is greatest value and the value near 1 lakh is smaller value, smallest value. So we can arrange that those values in order to the same way. Okay. So first one is, the greatest value is 3,80,000, then 2,30,000, and last 1 lakh. It is in decreasing order, so the sign is opposite. Then 1,50,000. That's a decreasing way. It means that value is smallest value and this value is greatest value, and that order is decreasing order or descending order. So I hope you all understand today's word. Okay, so students, that's all today. That's all for today. Okay, thank you class.